Welcome to the Crypto Future Newsletter, a place for people who want to better navigate the crypto markets with the help of cutting-edge crypto research and unbiased market analysis. In today's Altcoin newsletter, I cover 8 different altcoins, specifically Theta Token, Polkadot, UniSwap, Band Protocol, Near Protocol, Avalanche, Chainlink, Ethereum. Let's get started. Theta Token TA USDT. As a preface to today's analysis on Theta, here is my chart from a few days ago. Here is an update. Theta has followed the blue path, though we are seeing downside deviation and price action back into the red range. This could potentially be a volatile retest if Theta is able to ultimately weekly close above the red range high. Otherwise, weekly close inside the range could spell a failed retest. What's important to take note of on the monthly is this. Though Theta may be performing a volatile weekly retest, on the monthly this looks like a fake breakout from the range, with upside wicking beyond the range trapping FOMO buyers. But ultimately range-bound consolidation may continue here. A monthly close above the red range high would be ideal to confirm a higher time frame breakout. So in sum, the monthly close above the red range high is the confirmation to watch for in the coming weeks. But the weekly retest is worth watching in the very short term. Failed weekly retest and the monthly close will be likely to occur inside the range, in which case Theta would fail to confirm a new trend for the time being, potentially spelling further consolidation to even as low as the red range low over time. Polkadot DOT USDT. As a preface to today's analysis on DOT, here's my chart and analysis from 3 days ago, and here's an update. DOT continued in its failure of reclaiming green as support, which is why ultimately DOT was rejected there to reach the orange support region down below. After all, DOT is consolidating inside the orange-green range, and so a rebound from this orange support is possible, especially if DOT is able to weekly close inside, above orange, as that would confirm a higher low since the July 2022 lows. In performing such a weekly close, that higher low would be interesting as it would make us consider what sort of market structure may be slowly developing here for DOT. So, if DOT holds orange, then another move to the upside could take place. But would that move occur just to form a lower high? If we get a higher low and then a subsequent lower high, perhaps we'd be looking at some sort of triangle here. UniSwap, UNI, USDT. Uni has been in a macro downtrend for several months. Much like most altcoins, Uni has recently pretty much reached its downtrend resistance, and now this rejection may take price down to either of the blue levels down below, as those are the immediate supports. But it's difficult to say how strong they are given limited price history. There's been quite a lot of buy-side interest at the orange demand area and the red major monthly support, and so I don't think price will dip to the red level again. A higher low of some sort is perhaps more likely to occur. Perhaps the $5.56 blue level would need to get tagged to get that higher low in. Lose the red level, however, via a monthly close below it, and orange would be revisited over time. Band Protocol, BAND, USD. Here is my analysis on Band from a few weeks back. Here is an update. Band failed to break beyond its blue range high resistance, which of course meant that intra-range consolidation would continue, and so it does. Band has revisited the range low, weekly close above the range low, and Band could even revisit the range high over time once again. Weekly close below the range low, however, and Band could actually see new all-time lows. Near Protocol, NER, USDT. As a preface to today's analysis on NER, here's my chart and analysis from over a week ago. Here is an update. NER is now indeed touching the black trend line, trying to retest it as support once again. This is the region that needs to hold because a monthly close below green could actually send price into a predicament where orange wouldn't be out of the question. Retest is in progress here, and NER needs a monthly close above green, black for bullish bias. Avalanche, AVAX, USDT. As a preface to today's analysis on AVAX, here's my chart and analysis from over a week ago. Here is an update. Indeed, AVAX is rejecting from this red resistance area and is slowly closing in on a potential revisit of the orange level for a macro higher low. In fact, technically speaking, AVAX could go even lower than that if it is to exact a macro higher low, going even towards the black trend line. I've outlined the bullish course of action for AVAX over the coming weeks, should that higher low get touched. Overall, it looks like AVAX is consolidating inside this macro triangle, and until red resistance is broken, This consolidation will occur in the lower half of this market structure. Chainlink. LINK, USDT, after breaking out and falling short of a revisit of the orange resistance area above. Link has since rejected strongly and gone for another retest of the falling wedge it had broken out from a few weeks ago. Link needs to successfully retest this falling wedge in the coming weeks to avoid a scenario where the following happens. This is the monthly time frame, and it suggests that Link has faked out beyond the black resistance. Much like it did this past June 2022, Link needs to monthly close above the black level to enable a move to at least the orange resistance. But for that to happen, that's why the weekly retest is so important to be successful for Link to retain bullish bias. Ethereum, ETH, USD. ETH is now retesting the orange region here for support, and though downside wicking into $1,550 is possible. A weekly close inside the orange region is a must for bull bias. Weekly close below orange, and ETH could dip even lower to the orange region down below. What ETH is trying to do is essentially confirm a breakout from the orange-orange range. And to confirm the breakout, ETH needs to retest this range high to enable a move to the black level above. If you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe, as we put out daily content to keep you up to date on the current marketing news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.